Hi everyone, it's Steve here. Thanks for tuning into my review. Before we dive into it, if you are interested in having my coach build your entire internet marketing business and guide you until you reach $10,000 per month, then you need to check out the first link in the description. Now let's get back to the review. When you grab this product from the second link in the description, you will automatically receive 4 fantastic bonuses. Bonus number 1, I will show you my proven method in how to get 250,000 fresh email subscribers every single week. This is no gimmick. It's just a straightforward guidance on where to find them and how to use them with your self-hosted autoresponder. This is something that I would help you set up for as low as $3 to $12 per month. This becomes very affordable, even with an email list of over 5 million subscribers. Number 2, you will discover the free traffic method that I am currently using to drive tons of visitors to my websites, offers and blogs. This bonus will be delivered to you at no extra cost, but only when you buy this product. Number 3, this is the YouTube video ranking guide, which will show you the secrets to ranking your YouTube videos first on the platform. It will ensure maximum visibility and traffic to your offers. Bonus number 4, you will get your own offers to promote. I'm going to give you one of my coach's top selling courses, the Empire course. You get 100% commission throughout the sales funnel to promote this Empire course as your own. If you're eager to access these bonuses, check out the product that I'm reviewing right now, then you need to click the second link in the description. And remember, if you're serious about building an internet marketing business, the first link is where you need to go. Okay, let's see what this product is really all about. Don't forget to check out those links.
Are you still using ChatGPT but getting low results? Are you tired of staring at a blank page, struggling to find inspiration for your next writing project? Do you feel like your creativity is constantly hitting a roadblock, leaving you frustrated and in need of a spark to ignite your imagination? Then you need to use Write ChatGPT prompts. But here are the common challenges you face while generating creative ChatGPT prompts, including writer's block, lack of inspiration, time constraints, fear of rejection, difficulty in brainstorming. Imagine a minute from now you could get access to the huge library of Write ChatGPT prompts without any writer block and generate high engaging content, sales copy, email swipes without hiring an expensive writer. Introducing ChatGPT Prompts Bundle. It includes 10,000 plus well-researched ChatGPT prompts in multiple niches with 100% unrestricted PLR rights, which you can resell, reuse, and rebrand and keep 100% in profit. Once you have ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, you can overcome writer's block, sparking creativity, saving time, improving productivity, enhancing quality, diversifying content. Say goodbye to the days of staring blankly at your screen, unsure of where to begin or how to develop your ideas. Say hello to a new era of writing, where creativity knows no bounds and inspiration is just a click away. ChatGPT Prompts Bundle is designed to empower you to explore new genres, experiment with different narrative styles, and break out of your comfort zone to uncover the depths of your imagination. ChatGPT Prompts Bundle works in 3 simple steps. 1. Access. Click on any of button and get access ChatGPT Prompts Bundle over ready-to-use 10,000 plus ChatGPT prompts. 2. Copy. Copy well-researched ChatGPT prompt from huge library of prompts in any niche you want for your business. 3. Paste and result. Paste well-researched prompts on ChatGPT chatbot and generate high-engaging content for your business. It works in any niche you can imagine. Copywriting, time management, stress management, entrepreneur, Amazon KDP, Facebook, Google Ads, productivity hacks, email marketing, cryptocurrency, better sleep, prompt engineering, branding and logo design, NFT trading, mindfulness practices, ChatGPT monetization, dating advice, podcast success, gardening, ebook writing, landing page, customer service, passive income, psychology, social media marketing, TikTok, Google Analytics, Amazon success, eBay success, print on demand, POD. Only for the early action takers, we're offering limited time commercial and PLR licenses to reuse, resell, rebrand, and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 7-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period's over, ChatGPT Prompts Bundle will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab ChatGPT Prompts Bundle today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.